Yes people, we've got a belter for you today. Trying out the SpotClean Pro. Gifted to us by the guys at CNM Health Well. Make sure you go check the page, I've tagged it below. So now it's time to set this bad boy up. Comes with two different add-ons. Yeah, I'm gassed to try this out now. We're going to go with the fabric cleaner they've given us. Let's see what it does. I thought it was only right to test it out on my mate's grubby seats. Let's see what the SpotClean's got. So far so good. You can see all the dirt getting dragged out of it. Yeah, really good so far. Buzzing with this one, guys. Remember, this was the first time we're using it, so this is all the dirt out of that one seat. Boom! You remember how it was at the start? I'm giving the SpotClean Pro a 5-star rating. Let's get it, champs. It's managed to get rid of all the nasty stains. I can't really say a bad thing about this one. But big up CNN Health, and big up everyone else for watching. Don't forget to follow, guys.